Hello everybody. So this is SEO settings from BigCommerce explained. So what is SEO? SEO is the process of implementing strategies and techniques both inside or offsite to achieve a higher rank in search engine results. Typically, the higher a site ranks in the search results, the more visitor it receives. So how do search engines work? To learn SEO strategies, you'll first need to understand how search engines such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo work. Search engines use bots, called crawlers or spiders, to crawl the web and index the pages they come across. This indexed content is analyzed so that the search engines can understand the content of each page. So does BigCommerce include any SEO features? Yes, they do. They optimize URLs, they have unique URLs, they have microdata, 301 redirects, and URL rewrites, and CDN. SEO might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but never fear, we're here to help. The following chapters will outline the steps to get you started, and in time help you reach your SEO goals. Thanks for watching.